and it's done. I have one word, one news for you, and it's called sold. S-O-L-D. We have one happy seller, we have one happy buyer, new owner of this gorgeous property behind me. Before we will pick up all our staging inventory, let's go inside and have a look what staging does with the home on the market. It gets it sold. Come with me, come with me, come with me. Come on. And that's it. So hopefully you've liked what we've done. We focused in our staging on living room, family room, dining, and a master bedroom. We did not stage additional bedrooms because that is not really cost effective when it comes to staging. You want to focus on the main living areas. If you have any questions regarding staging, please do send us an email, give us a call. We are servicing Northern Virginia, Maryland, and DC, and we are here to help. Thank you for watching. Please give us some likes, leave us some comments, and I promise to take you to our next staging adventure. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.